Moi moi, guys. That's Swedish for hello and good day and how are you doing? So when you get an email in, as you see, we've got 5 articles here. What you do is you can click on the little edit button, and this is only if you have Mixmax, which is this right here. I use it just because it makes it simple to connect my drive and my Dropbox and different things. As you can see, I can just throw it in Dropbox right there. I can put it in Drive right there, etc. And so, hit Edit, and it pops open this box. Now, when you get a document like this, you want to just Control A, copy it all, and then you want to open this. It's html-cleaner.com. And what you want to do is select all to copy there, Control A, and then Control V. Over here, I hit Control A and Control C to copy. Over here, I hit Control A and Control V to paste. Now I hit Clean HTML. Now it cleans everything up. I select all again, Control A, Control C to copy. I go over here to Feedster, add new post. Now, obviously, you would on this you would run it through Copyscape or whatever. You would do some editing before this, but this is once you're ready to post. Okay, we'll go to the text version, Control V, the visual version. Benefits of CBD gummies is the title, so we'll hit that there. Alright, now one thing I always want to do is I want to look at this, and if I have a keyword that I'm going after, like CBD gummies, I may do something like this, which I am actually going to do here. And so that way I've structured the URL. So if this is a long title, which I'm fixing to make it a long title, I'm going to structure it to where it's a really short URL. Okay. Now, what I'll do is I'll come through here and I'll change these to headings, and I always use heading 2. And then on sources, I'll probably bold that, and I'll make sure these links are follow. So to make sure a link is follow, alright, I go right here, ahref equals quote link in quote, then I make another quote, rel equals foo or follow quote, and that's before the actual link in the end code A. Okay, and so a lot of times what I'll do is I'll actually have that on if I'm doing a bunch of these, I'll do this right here, copy. I'll do them all at the same time so I can just paste them in there. Okay. Now the last thing you have to do on each site is say I want to feature and make it hot. You can do different things up here. These all mean different things. If you don't know what they mean, you can look over here in the theme and it'll tell you. This is Boombox, so you can actually type in Boombox theme forest or Boombox theme, and it'll give you all the documentation. Now over here I want to select the category it makes sense in, and so in this one we'll say tasty because it is food. We'll say it is review, not a music review, sorry. Marketing, sure. Lifestyle, sure. Clever, sure. Business, sure. Animals, architecture, accessories, nope. Alright. And sometimes I want to add a tag. Just going with the general article. Hopefully, if they supply me with keywords, I can really make sure there. And then I want to make sure to tell it's a blog. Okay. I don't have any new custom fields that I want to add on this one. I don't have any reactions that I want to do. I don't want to share anything. I don't want to hide ads or do anything else. But these are all options that you want to make sure. And the last thing I'll do is set the featured image, which I haven't even selected yet. So I need to go select that. And we can, that's it. And then I'd schedule it. I would edit. I'm getting blown up here, sorry. I'd hit edit, schedule the date. Today, I'm actually going to publish this one immediately. And then it's done. So that's it. That's how you post an article. Make sure you follow the steps. Obviously the editing process comes before this, and you would have the article perfect, and then you're just copying and pasting. And if you ever need to save a picture, I say there was a picture in here, I click on the picture, right click, and it would give me an option to save picture as, or save it to a thing. And a lot of times it's really hard to save a picture out of Google Docs, and so I'll actually drag it over to a Word doc because they're easier to save from there, and it gets kind of weird. So a lot of times I just also tell the people to send me the picture via an attachment. So if you have any more questions, I hope to answer them, but I hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks.